Well, time to go plow. The snow just stopped, so I gotta go hit the laundromats. It's like 10 o'clock. I got the truck, got the plow all hooked up. It's my Snow Dog plow, my Rugby dump body, and my Ram 3500. Time to go plow.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
That was Gun and Knife Club District. We got that done. Every once in a while I get comments about the laundromat that's in a bad area of town, that I don't care about the neighborhood and I don't care about the homeless. And I do. I wouldn't shovel my sidewalk like this if I didn't care. I wouldn't salt it. I wouldn't go above and beyond to make it clean and nice. I do care. Comes down to a respect thing. You respect my place, I respect you. So when you have homeless people in there tearing it up, destroying it, peeing in the garbage cans, I don't respect that. So that's why they have to go. So I know I get a lot of comments. People act like I'm the worst person in the world, but it's part of running a business. Till next time, take it easy. Hope you had fun riding along with me, plowing some parking lots. Man, it's cold. See you later.